Hi, I'm Cristina and I'm a member of Coco Collective. In today's video, we're going to continue with the introduction to the sound healing course, and we are tackling very basic concepts. In today's lesson, we are going to focus in the concept of breath and diaphragmatic breathing. Without breath, there's no sound. Breath is the predecessor of sound and is the essence of life, which is also sacred. The science of sound is called pranayama and is at the core of many esoteric practices, for example, yoga. Today, we are going to practice an advanced technique in pranayama, which is called as diaphragmatic breathing. Diaphragmatic breathing is also known as belly breathing or abdominal breathing and is really natural to babies. Before we start today's practice, I would like to advise you to make sure you are in a quiet place, if possible, laying down and wearing comfortable clothes. We are all unique vibratory beings, so don't stress yourself thinking what's best to do in terms of breathing in by the nose or by the mouth, breathing out by the mouth or by the nose. Just do what is best for you, what makes you feel more comfortable. And also, belly breathing consists in breathing deep down into your lungs where the diaphragmatic area is located, just below your rib cage. You don't have to move your shoulders. If you move your shoulders, that means you're not breathing correctly in terms of diaphragmatic breathing. And now, before we start the exercise, let's start with chanting an Om. And now, enjoy your guided meditation. Breathing. Lie on the floor. Put your hands on your stomach and take a breath. As you do so, focus your intention on bringing the air into the deepest part of your lungs. Feel them expanding and watch as your belly rises as you breathe in. As you exhale, feel your stomach relax as the air is pushed out of your lungs. Try this again and again until it begins to feel natural. Check yourself out and become aware of any changes, physiological, maybe emotional, mental, or spiritual, that occur while you're doing diaphragmatic breathing. For many people, remembering to breathe in this manner is a major key to stress reduction. When you reduce stress, you reduce so many of the elements that cause imbalance. Breathing can be very, very, very healing. Just repeat this exercise as many times as you feel comfortable with, and just let go of any rush and stress, and feel how the air, soft and smooth, comes in and out of your body. I hope you had a nice time practicing the exercise on breathing. Make sure you do it anytime you feel you want to connect with yourself. And also is a great way to keep yourself relaxed, and is a really good way to stress relief. So if you like this work, please subscribe to our channel, Coco Collective TV. See you next time.